Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I picked up some more Constitutional Silver today from my resource that I've been picking up from off the Let Go app, and they gave me another great deal, so I figured I'd go ahead and pick it up. As long as he's willing to offer it, I'm willing to buy it. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so we have some quarters, some dimes, and some halves. So let's just get it out of this bag here real quick and I'll go through some of the details here. So, see here, there's a standing Liberty quarter right on top there. Two halves and some extra quarters. So let's go through the quarters first, I guess, since they're right here. So it was a tube of quarters. He said there were 6 standing liberties mixed in here. And I didn't verify, I believe them, but anytime you see a date, that's not too bad. An SLQ as they call them. So there's a tube in here, there's 40 of them. See if I can find another, there's another one right there. Let's take a look at it. 1928. Ooh, love the sound of that silver. There's another one I just strapped. 1927. You can feel these things are thinner though, because they do have wear on them. Here's another one. Another 1928. That's the first one we saw. So anyway, don't have to go through every one of them. But so I got a roll of quarters. Right there, 40 of them. Plus 3. We talked about another little deal after the main deal, and I got 3 more quarters off them. So we got 43 quarters there. The back of that coin is very cool looking, isn't it? Let me lift my camera up a little bit here. Let's get a little bit more on the screen. Alright, so there's the quarters. Get those all together. Get this out of my way. I also picked up, let me get these out of my way momentarily as well. These are just the halves I picked up. I also picked up 14 dimes. So, all Roosevelts. Still. Nice collection of dimes there. This one's a little battered, but once in a while I get one like that. Doesn't look too bad, but I got 14 dimes there. I think this is the first time I ever picked up a Standing Liberty quarter from this guy. Got 6 of them in here, so leave those like that. Put them together because I want to make some room for these. And then I also got 25 1964 Kennedys. Let's throw those guys down. I've been buying some AUs and BUs off them, but these aren't those. These are just some regular Kennedys, but still pretty awesome. Fill in some tubes, fill in some rolls on the Kennedys. So there's 21. That one's actually pretty nice looking. Look at that. Should probably put it under the coin cam, shouldn't I? But everybody knows what a 1964 Kennedy looks like. Let me get these out of here. Put them in the stack. These ones in the sleeves appear to be quite a bit nicer condition. 64. 64 and 64. As you know, 64s are the only ones that are 90% on the Kennedys. 65 through 70s are 40%, which I don't personally collect myself. A lot of people do though. I have a few, I just don't collect them, that's all. I picked them up in my purchases along the way if they come with a bigger deal, but I don't just go out and buy 40%ers. So there you go. That's what I picked up. 25 halves, 14 dimes, and 43 quarters. And I got all this, which is over 15 ounces of silver. I got it all for 73 cents per ounce below spot. So 73 cents per ounce below spot for over 15 ounces. So just another fantastic deal. And I really appreciate this guy continuing to reach out to me and offering me a great deal. It's really cool. and it's allowed me to build my stack nicely, especially on the half dollars. I really didn't have a whole lot of those before he came along, so I really appreciate him helping me get my collection a little bit bigger on those. Well, that's it for now. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, click that little bell next to it, and you'll be notified anytime I put out a new video, which I put out videos pretty frequently. And also, check out these videos that have just popped up for you. Got some great content out there, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And remember, let's keep talking bullion.